Hello and welcome to Callum Connect Micro Podcast. Our guest today is Dr. Mohamed Salahuddin. Dr. Mohamed is a technology executive with over 20 years of experience, uniting advanced R&D and global market execution to architect multi-million-dollar industrial and generative AI transformations.
A hurdle that I have faced as a leader occurred during my first major project, where I served as the project and program manager directing a large-scale initiative. The project brought together a complex ecosystem of public agencies, academic universities, and institutes of higher learning. The core challenge was that every single entity was entirely interdependent, each requiring critical input data from the other to move forward, which made clear communication absolutely vital. Because it was my first time leading a program of this nature, I quickly realized that the hurdle wasn't just managing the complex technical data pipelines. It was handling the profound human friction. My cross-functional team spanned different institutional and geographical boundaries. I had domain experts with vastly different skill sets, academic researchers with deep theoretical backgrounds, public officers focused on strict regulatory parameters, as well as team members from different countries with localized working cultures and distinct language nuances. Initially, I tried to address the team as a single monolithic block at the group level, but it failed to move the needle. To overcome this bottleneck, I had to completely shift my approach to balance group-level vision with intense individual-level empathy. At the group level, I anchored everyone by reinforcing a single clear shared mission and building a standardized, transparent protocol for data exchange. But then I shifted to the individual level. I realized that a true leader must be deeply mindful of the absolute uniqueness of each and every staff. I began conducting highly tailored and separate discussions, understanding that the way you communicate risk, timelines, and data dependencies to a university researcher requires a completely different vocabulary, pace, and cultural context than unblocking an analytical engineer or a government stakeholder. The definitive learning from this hurdle is that elite technology leadership is entirely context dependent. True impactful innovation is never just getting the technical code or data models right. It is fundamentally about human change management. To build any resilient enterprise or project framework, a leader must first listen closely to the individual voices, capabilities, and cultural backgrounds of the people driving the actual engine room.
If you enjoyed this podcast and would like to find more inspiring information about entrepreneurs around the world doing incredible things, make your way to enterprisezone.cc.